I'm Ryan from iThemeland, bringing you unmatched WordPress and WooCommerce expertise. In this tutorial, we're gonna learn how to bulk edit post and custom post category in WordPress. Bulk edit post or custom post category is one of the easiest tasks in WordPress bulk posts editing plugin. Append. By selecting this option, you can add as many categories as you want to the post categories. Replace. By applying this action, the new categories selected in the bulk edit form will be replaced by the old ones. Delete. This option helps post managers to bulk edit as many categories as they need from the posts. Now, before showing you some examples about these options, it is very important to know that you can change multiple post categories at the same time in our plugin in two ways, which are using bulk edit form and using inline edit option. Both methods are really straightforward and you will quickly get comfortable with them. It is also important to filter custom posts, the categories of which you want to change by one of the following methods. Using filter form, which is one method, loading filter profile, which you can see right here, and using quick search. Bulk editing custom post category by using bulk edit form. In order to gain access to the bulk edit form, first you have to go to WordPress dashboard, the WP posts, then click bulk edit in the main page, and in this form there's a special tab for bulk editing categories called categories/tags/taxonomies. By opening this tab, you can see categories field with two boxes in front of each, which are condition box and select box. In the condition box, you have access to the options including append, replace, and delete. In the select box, all categories that you've already added to WordPress are listed here and you can choose to apply action on any of them. Now, let's see some examples. Append categories. If you need to add some categories for bulk editing custom post category, the append is a really good option. So, after choosing append from the condition box, you can select as many categories as you need to be added to the filtered posts. As you can see, we tried to add tech and travel to our custom posts. And those items were added after clicking on do bulk edit as shown right here in this page. And there they are. As you can see, the categories are added right here. Replace categories. Replace option is used when you need to remove old categories and replace them with new ones. In order to do this, you need to choose replace from the condition box, choose the new categories from the select box, and then click on do bulk edit. As you can see, all the categories were replaced by tech and travel as we selected them before. Delete categories. Delete categories is another option for bulk editing post categories which enable you to delete the categories chosen in the select box. For example, here again we tried to delete tech and travel categories from our filtered post, and as you can see, they're deleted. Add categories. There is no need to do anything extra for adding new categories to our plugin. Actually, as soon as you add any category to WordPress, it'll be added to our plugin automatically. For example, here we added sport to our category. You can also add a new category directly in the plugin from the post table. To add a new category, you need to add the category column to the plugin and then click on one of them in the post table. In the new pop-up opened, Add New option is available as shown here. By clicking on Add New, a new page will be opened and you can add category with its features including category name, slug, parent, description. For example, now let's go back to the main page of our plugin and try to add this category to our post by inline edit. Change multiple post custom post categories at the same time by inline edit. To bulk edit custom post categories by inline edit, you need to filter the posts the categories of which you need to bulk edit, then select the posts by marking the check marks next to them, and then mark bind edit in the main page. The next thing you do is click on one of the posts category column, and now you just have to choose the categories you need assigned to the posts. Now the only thing you need to do now is click on apply changes and see the results.